Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams. First, create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Break down large topics into smaller, manageable chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Identify your personal learning style, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, to tailor your study methods for maximum effectiveness. This foundational planning will set you up for success. Next, engage in active learning. Don't just passively read. Actively test yourself with practice questions and past exams. Try explaining difficult concepts aloud to a friend or even to yourself. This solidifies your understanding. Summarizing key information in your own words, perhaps using a one-page cheat sheet, helps you process and retain the material more deeply. To boost your memory and retention, incorporate flashcards for quick recall of important terms and definitions. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to prevent mental fatigue and maintain focus. Consistent review over several days, rather than cramming, significantly improves long-term retention of the material. Finally, prepare for exam day itself. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep the night before. Rest is crucial for cognitive function. Eat a balanced meal to provide sustained energy, avoiding sugary snacks that lead to crashes. Arrive early to your exam location to settle in and reduce any last-minute stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.